Ça va.
It's
Non, je pense pas que ce soit fini. Je pense juste
one sec.
que je suis juste au prologue.
It's my boss. But like I was saying, that day we met, we had no idea what we were in for.
I know.
Sorry for texting. I just can't leave him hanging.
It's okay, really.
Thanks.
Ouais, c'est pas
I
grave, je suis
know I'll
compréhensive.
stress if I ignore this. I'd rather be catching up with you, but my boss needs me to put out his fires, as usual.
Cute keychain.
Thanks. That
How was your drive?
just fine. The views are nice once you get off the highway.
Hello from the future.
What's that?
Don't mind me. Just reading some of these scribbles. It's so weird being back here.
Once I gave my mom a grandkid, I made her come to me. Can't say I miss this place at all.
Bon, bah, on va aller chercher les boissons.
Want a drink? I've got it.
Yeah, thanks. That'd be great. Whatever you think's good, I'll get next round.
Ouh, un autre souvenir.
Can you state your name and your age into the camera?
Uh-huh. Wait, what's all this for, anyways?
I'm making a documentary.
So, I'm Autumn Lockhart. I turned 16 last October. And I'm an army brat.
J'aime bien faire des zooms chelous.
Me and my
Ah,
folks
t'as une tache
moved
dans l'œil,
here a
madame.
few years ago. Sorry, are you rolling?
So, how do you kill time?
Skateboard? Sleep? Drink pop? Oh, I love video games. I'm saving up for this new fighting one. I crush Nora every time.
Ah ouais, le sens du détail de ce jeu est incroyable. Hein.
Am I doing okay?
C'est fou, hein.
Perfect. You're doing great.
Are you hoping I'll do something weird so you can send it to Wackiest Home Videos? Oh,
No, this is serious.
cool.
Non, je suis
I
très
like that you're
sérieuse, je
not
fais pas
always
du tout
goofing
des
me
zooms
around.
improbables.
Dad let me take a sip of his beer one time. Never tried it before. Blah. And Mom let me try a sip of her rum and Coke. Way better. Why would anyone pick beer over that?
Oh, je suis pas d'accord. La
Anyways,
bière, c'est meilleur
that
que le rhum coca.
was when we were living in Germany. My dad was stationed there for a couple years. I miss it. Still keep in touch with one friend though.
What was it like being the new kid? You know, when you moved here?
Sucked. You you think I'd be used to changing schools. But this place was the worst. Until I met Nora. Nora's the first person who really tried to.
Oh,
Get
les
to know
bacs-collants,
me.
j'avais pas vu qu'ils étaient
We're
pétés.
both
Trop
kind
fou.
of social outcasts, I guess.
Have you been friends with Nora a long time? How'd you meet?
In real years, 4. But it feels more like dog years. But, we met in detention. It was a Monday. By Friday, I was like living in her garage.
Is she like a sister to you?
Whoa. Uh, yeah, kinda. Nora keeps talking about moving to LA, but please, we're so not gonna be rock stars. I mean, maybe if I was singing lead. Nah, I'm just playing.
What's your wildest dream?
Whoa, we're going there already? Keeping it real. I know I'm not gonna be rich and famous. I want to do something that matters. And hopefully, I get out of this town, you know?
Et ouais, c'est tout ce qu'on voulait, partir de la ville.
The PLU refer to programming PLU descriptions on page 27. But if that's the first step, why isn't it?
Hi.
Put the
Mais qui
MG
galère avec ce
in
truc.
its key slot and turn it to the proc position.
Hi. I'm ready to order.
I'll be right with you.
T'es pas le meilleur barman que j'ai connu, hein. Clairement.
Screw it.
Hey!
J'ai
Okay,
mangé
sorry
les
about that.
cacahuètes à pisse.
I'm really bad with computers.
Manger de cacahuètes sales. Oh
How
mon
was your
dieu.
how's your little reunion going?
Ah,
Reliving the good old days?
I'm happy to see her. We have a lot to catch up on.
Glad to have you both back, even if it's just for a visit. So, what'll it be?
Let's see. I'll
on va
get my
faire un
friend's
entretien.
drink too. How about a rum and coke? Used to be her favorite.
And for you? Our drink specials are on the boards. I'll let you take a look. I'm good at guessing people's orders. Let's see, you're past the vodka cranberry stage. But something about you doesn't say wine.
I guess I'll try that frostbite cocktail. Kinda fits the weather.
Oh boy, you gotta love snow to come here this time of year. I'll get started on those drinks. Be right back.
Merci Gus.
No way. Are you kidding me? This song was so popular. Oh, talk about a moment in time. Damn, really should get myself a tripod.
Stop leaning over. Just
There.
Ah, je fais la même chose quand j'ai la flemme de mettre le trépied.
and
Mais je les ai mangées ces cacahuètes, t'inquiète.
Hello world, I'm Swan. Welcome to oh. Jeez, oh, I need a title. Swan's memorable memoir?
On va mettre les dossiers, ça fait un petit peu.
Okay. This is the Swan Files. But don't worry, nothing creepy's ever happened here. Not yet, anyways. First, I'll show you my natural habitat. Suburbia.
J'avoue, on dirait un peu Barbe, mais façon années 80, années 90, pardon. Années 90, excusez-moi.
One sec, Mom, I'm filming.
Là, on dirait plutôt Mike.
I'll show you around Velvet Cove for sure, but first I gotta tell you, I met these girls, and I owe them big time. Wait, let me back up and describe them. First, there's Nora. She's gonna be a senior this fall. We go to the same school, but I'd never talked to her before. Nora's funny. She has like no filter. Like the class
C'est
clown
trop
or
bien.
something,
Je
but
devrais faire une vidéo comme ça aussi pour me rappeler comment j'étais à 30 ans.
of her smoking on the swing set.
Remue.
I should edit that in.
Toi, Chine, ça va?
Then
Nous ça va bien.
there's Autumn. She's Nora's best friend. She's in my
Ouais,
grade school
tranquille.
too,
On se remémore les années 90.
but we never met
On
before
va dire
this.
que Autumn est cool. Mais c'est vrai qu'Autumn, elle
Autumn's
est
so
cool.
cool. She like has a job and she's not afraid to tell someone off. Like that Corey guy. He went after
Vous
her and
imaginez
stole
si je
her
devais faire une
keys.
vidéo comme ça en décrivant mes
Got them
copines.
back, thankfully.
Ouais, belge.
Finally, Kat.
Je fais pas la traduction des chiffres en français.
She's my age, but homeschooled. We never met before either.
T'as l'air intelligente, parce que franchement, t'as l'air d'une gosse qui en sait des choses.
Kat seems really smart. She knows a lot about music. She stood up for me. That meant a lot. But she did
Elle
say
dit quoi
some
la
harsh
quête? La
stuff
quête,
to
elle
my
est,
sister. It
elle est
must really
gentille,
suck
elle est
dealing with someone
intelligente.
like Dylan all the time.
Ah non, en fait, c'est juste qu'elle fait, elle filme
You
ses
have to
mémoires.
be mean. And then
Elle est passionnée de films, et donc
Swan.
elle décrit un peu tout son petit monde. Qu'est-ce qu'on va dire?
Something about Swan.
On va dire je ne sais pas encore qui je suis parce qu'on est une adolescente et qu'on ne sait pas qui on est à cet âge-là. À 16 ans, personne ne sait qui il est. Même à 30 ans, on ne sait pas qui on est.
Is Swan?
Même à 60 ans. Bon, à 60 ans, j'espère que j'aurai trouvé, mais
I don't know.
je sais pas si je serai
Maybe I'll
encore là.
figure it out when I finish making this.
Ça paraît loin.
That'd be cool. I hope we can hang out a lot while I'm still here.
Ah, j'avais oublié
I'm
qu'on
moving away at
déménageait,
the end
c'est
of
vrai.
summer, so
Ah oui, on se découvre tout
I
à
have so much stuff to pack. I hope we stay friends. I like
C'est
them
beau
a lot.
l'amitié d'adolescent, quand on pense que
I just
l'amitié
hope
va
I
durer
don't
toute la
mess
vie.
things up somehow.
J'aime bien.
Anyway, we're meeting up tomorrow.
Here you go.
Thanks. How much?
$11.
Bon, on va payer maintenant, je n'aime pas avoir une
Here, keep the
ardoise.
change.
Thanks. Oh, there she is. Pam, this girl grew up here in Velvet Cove.
Bonjour
No
madame.
way. What's your name, dear?
Oh, jeez, I didn't even ask her name yet.
Aw, come on, Gus.
Ah, que
Where's
lui
your
dire.
manners, you old dog?
Non, rester enfant, ça me plairait pas.
Oh, hi.
J'aurais voulu rester bloqué
I'm
à
Swan.
25 ans, je
Hi,
pense.
Swan. I'm Pam.
Her friend's from here, too. The young lady in the booth.
Oh?
They're
Oh,
having a
t'es plus
little
si jeune, hein.
reunion. Isn't that awesome?
I wouldn't call us young.
Oh, please. With that baby face? Let me guess. You're 27 tops? You're not allowed to guess, Gus.
Okay.
Ça se fait pas,
43.
Gus.
Oh. Your 40s.
En train de
That's a
jouer à personnage de
wonderful
40 ans.
age. Make sure you savor it.
Listen to the lady. She knows her
40 ans, mais c'est
stuff.
presque l'âge de la régie, ça.
You picked the right place for conversation. Gus runs a good shop.
Moi, je suis curieuse de savoir les gens. Vous
You
savez,
two
ça a duré
from
5 heures
around
juste
here?
parce que je parle avec tout le monde.
Seems like you go way back.
Us two? Oh, we're not together.
Oh, I didn't mean that.
Don't worry about it. People always assume.
Ah, madame
you're
Pam,
right,
qu'est-ce que
though.
je vous sers?
We're old townies. Let me get your regular pen.
Ah,
Thanks.
And Miss Swan, let me know if you need anything.
ouais, t'inquiète.
Will do. Thanks for the drinks.
How's the night been so far, Gus?
It was good until you showed up.
Merci, Achille, pour ton
I
mur.
want to give you a
Au
wedgie for that.
plaisir, au plaisir.
Joking. Honestly, I was hoping you'd be here tonight. Something's in the air, right?
Je me demandais si c'était un chat qui grattait à la porte ou si c'était quelqu'un qui montait les escaliers.
Hot ice. Gotta stop
Je viens de me
harboring
réveiller de ma
barbacks
sieste,
and
j'ai pas la
calling
foi de faire du
sick
vélo,
right
ce
before you
chiro.
finish.
Mais enfin, monte sur ce foutu vélo.
I wish
Ah.
it'd snow, Gus.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Remember Mrs. Cooper's face?
Ah, 5
when I
euros, tu sais que je me
showed
suis
up
fait
to the
mal
dance in
cette semaine.
Stillman's?
J'en peux plus. J'ai mal au dos. C'est pour ça que j'ai dormi
I
12 heures
do.
d'ailleurs, c'est parce que j'ai mal au dos. Je me suis fait mal au dos à la salle en faisant de la muscu et je me suis fait mal au mollet en faisant de la course.
Cheers to that.
Je n'en peux plus, je me pète tout. Bah, c'est pas la trentaine, c'est un âge de merde, on se fait mal tout le temps.
Ta-da! Thanks. What do I owe you?
Nothing. I got it.
Next one's on me then. Oh, a cocktail. Thanks. You must have read my mind. Because I don't like beer that much.
It's a rum and coke. Thought I'd surprise you with an old favorite.
I totally forgot how much I used to love those.
Parce que c'est la seule chose que je sais de toi, madame.
That's sweet of you, Swan.
Non, c'est pas trop grave, je me suis juste tordu,
Went
enfin
for
pas
the
tordu, mais je
frostbite
me suis fait
cocktail?
mal au muscle en
Okay.
fait.
Cool.
Il
So
faut
you
juste que je me
drank.
repose un peu, mais ça m'énerve.
I wasn't sure when I texted you.
Well, you know me. I'll try any drink once.
So.
Film alcoolique.
So. Cheers? Wanna make a toast?
Pour ceux qui boivent, quel est votre cocktail ou votre alcool préféré?
To.
Let's drink to finding each other again in this weird timeline.
Right? I just hope that's all there is to it. Cheers. Honestly, I wasn't sure you'd show
Ah,
up.
si t'as mal
Swan.
aux jambes, Sukiro fait pas de vélo, alors t'attendras demain.
I was nervous. If we're being real. No, it's not what we agreed to
Quoi?
back then.
De quoi?
We swore to never see each other again. I mean, that was serious.
I don't think I realized how much I missed you.
Ah, tu fais un petit vélo de fond.
I've missed you too.
Mais c'est que même ça, je me dis
Anyway.
que ce soir, je vais peut-être pas marcher sur le tapis,
Thank you
parce
for
que
being here tonight.
bah, ça fait quand même des coups dans le mollet.
Sorry if I'm
Et je me dis, ah, on va peut-être éviter.
weird. I'm feeling a little stressed out. I never thought I'd come back here.
I'm so sorry, Autumn.
Trop
I
empathique avec les gens.
understand. It's a
5000
lot to
km en
talk about.
2026, waouh!
27 years
Moi, je sais pas combien de kilomètres je dois
was a
faire.
long time ago. When I try to remember what happened back then, my mind goes in circles.
I've been trying to remember, like, really
Mhm.
digging, but it feels like something just out of reach, you know? Like, foggy images.
Well, there's a lot I want to say, but better to talk once we're all here. I
Mhm.
remember you moved to Canada back in the day. You still live there now?
Bah, 200
I
sur
know
2 semaines, c'est
catching
déjà
up
pas mal. Hein.
Isn't really the point of this meetup, but I think it'd be nice.
I don't mean to be rude, Autumn.
Ouais, il faut que ça
but
avance là.
Why exactly are we here tonight?
Okay. May as well get to the point. Do you remember what happened? Why we made our promise?
No,
Merci, Sanshiro. À plus,
I
bisous.
just know something bad happened.
I'm worried. Someone's got a grudge.
Elles ont
Last
tué
week,
quelqu'un.
my mom found a package on her doorstep. She
Elles ont
recognized the
peut-être
name on
plus qu'elle
it
tuait quelqu'un.
somehow. Here it is.
Whoa, for Bloom and Rage. Wait. Our Bloom and Rage?
I know. Like, who would remember us? Now. It's been years.
Oh god. Are we?
Ah, ça pourrait le faire. Hein. Elles ont peut-être buté quelqu'un. Hein. Oh, le SDF. Ou le méchant.
I know it brings up a lot of old shit.
Je sais pas. Leurs possibilités sont infinies à ce stade. Et j'arrive pas à trouver d'indices dans ce qu'on fait. Ouais, ça me perturbe aussi. Je suis curieuse. J'ai envie de savoir.
It's Swan.
Ouais, je vais rentrer parce que personne m'ouvre. Super. Il y a 2 épisodes. Donc ça va, c'est pas non plus très très long comme Life is
She
Strange par
actually
exemple.
showed. Welcome. See, told you.
Yeah. You didn't miss much, Swan. We're just messing around.
Come in, dude. What was that band you were talking about again? I wanna write it down.
Sleater Kinney. They're pretty new, I think.
I was so nervous. Really?
Why?
I thought you were all so much cooler than me.
I knew she'd show. We should have taken bets.
Sup, comrades?
Camarade syndiqué.
Autumn didn't think you'd show. Oh, hard.
Ignore her. She just loves to stir shit up. Swan, I'm glad you came to hang with us. Nora liked to amuse herself by making me squirm.
Oh yeah, there's all sorts of weird shit in here. Might look good in your movie.
Yeah, film, whatever. We'll just be warming up.
Thanks.
Yeah, j'adore filmer des trucs.
Fair warning.
Oh, I used to love filming everything around me. Nora's garage
Bonjour,
was a
Unicom.
gold mine.
Excusez-moi, je trouve que c'est le garage le plus cool du monde. Pourquoi est-ce qu'on n'a plus des garages comme ça? Pourquoi on a perdu cette couleur des années 90? Bon, tout n'était pas bon à prendre dans les années 90. Hein.
Does Corey know we found them?
Are you serious? I screamed it in his face when he brought Dylan home.
Good.
Did he cry? Not in front of Dylan.
Les
but
gros chewing-gums
I bet
comme
he
ça,
did
ça
when
me
he got
manque.
home.
So, what's your band called?
The spew! No, I never agreed to that.
The spew? Like throwing up? Why?
It's funny. So, there was this one time I got.
Can I, move this out of the way?
Seriously, Swan? Don't bother asking. Just move it wherever.
Oh. Ça me donne des idées pour une construction sur les Sims. On ferait bien un petit garage là.
You guys need a
tranquille.
drummer.
We got one.
Chaos Assault.
The drum machine? That doesn't count.
Says who?
Autumn. Tell her about that one guy.
Oh, so I put an ad in the loaf. Ugh, this dude. He seemed cool at first, but he seemed to think wanna join our band was code for wanna hook up in Nora's garage.
La lumière est trop mignonne.
Seriously? I was like, dude, why?
So, did you guys hook up?
No, never.
Oh, sorry.
Tu sais que j'écoute même pas ce qu'elle raconte là. Moi je suis juste focus sur le fait de filmer.
No, just thinking about it grosses me out.
That was good.
Ah, je peux plus la filmer elle du coup maintenant. Fuck. J'ai l'impression qu'elle va me buter.
Done.
Get anything good?
No. The good stuff is up here. So humble.
You're flat on B, Nor.
Yeah, well, maybe I'm punk and I wanna be.
De toute façon, ton jeu jouer du punk, c'est simple, il y a que 3 accords.
Okay, enough screwing around. Let's play already.
3 accords et une voix éraillée.
Shit! Where's my fucking pick?
You lost it again? You're so funny.
Wow. Could someone grab me a guitar pick? Swan?
Sure. Nora was obsessed with those. I wonder if they still make them.
Next to the TV.
Your folks out?
They're at the mall.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur cette caisse? Wow, on se calme, hein.
No one's banged on the ceiling
Des heures,
telling us
très
to keep it
bon.
down.
Cranberry, c'est très bon.
Nora's folks were never really
Garbage,
present.
j'aime bien. Björk,
She
j'aime pas.
kinda raised herself.
Ah, vous vous rappelez toute cette période où on écoutait Alanis Morissette et qu'on était triste? Parce qu'il ne faut pas être heureux pour écouter Alanis Morissette, hein, clairement. Je me demande ce qu'elle devient, tiens, si elle passe en concert, j'irais bien la
Did
voir.
you actually
Est-ce qu'elle est encore
buy all
vivante?
of this yourself? Like
Oui, sinon je
the
n'aurais
drum
entendu parler.
machine and all this other stuff?
Some of it.
Hey. So. This is cool, right?
Yeah.
Ça fait un peu
I
nerd
can't
quand même
complain.
d'avoir une banane.
I like weirdos.
Hey. We are.
But you are a weirdo with a camera. Ever caught some freaky shit on tape? Tell us.
Oh my god.
What? She's not just filming balloons all day, right?
I filmed a used condom once. On the ground at a
J'y ai pas
campsite.
touché.
I didn't touch it.
Too bad you didn't catch them in the act.
I love paranormal stuff though, and like monsters. You know Dogman?
Yeah? Oh my god, that reminds me.
You know, the Muffin Man.
So, like, there was this one thing I wish I caught on film because no one ever believes me. You guys are gonna freak out. Back when I still went hunting with my dad, we saw this massive buck. And it stood up on its hind legs and looked right at us. Seriously, like a human. I swear. Also, it had like this massive boner. What the fuck?
Yeah.
You! It had a boner? Seriously?
What? Too gross for you?
Ah, je pensais pas qu'elle allait réagir comme ça, je pensais plutôt qu'elle allait faire Ew!
Wow. I love you freaks.
Jesus!
Moi, faut toujours que je trouve le médiator de
Have you
madame.
written any of your own songs yet?
Nah. We mostly play covers.
Oh, I write some poetry for Seattle Zine.
That's so cool.
Cat's a poet, but we didn't know it.
Ah, bah, tiens. Oh, c'est qu'on en trouve des trucs sympas ici.
It's really not a big deal.
Est-ce que je peux trouver de la coke? Non, même pas. Comment j'aurais plus rien à foutre? Oh non! The Vortex Club! Rappelez-vous! Le Vortex Club, Life is Strange. J'adore. On va prendre le petit médiator avec les ghosts parce qu'ils sont trop mignons.
Oh, found it.
Allez, tiens, prends ton médiator, sinon tu sauras pas jouer.
How's this one?
Autumn, look! Reminds me of Halloween in Milwaukee. I wonder where my Tharp pick went.
Tell her the story. Nora was at the mall with her dad.
Oh, yeah! He was giving me shit about my eyeliner. So I ran to the makeup counter, smeared that crap all over my face. Hell yeah. Next thing I knew, he told me I could walk home. So I did. After I flipped him off.
Ouais, ça c'est
Took me a
punk.
few hours. But I found some shortcut through the expressway. Dude, he sounds like an asshole.
Your makeup looks cool. What's his problem?
Right? I love my war paint. When I got home, This pic was in a free stuff box, like right on my block. Kinda lucky, right? Whoa, score! Sounds like a good day to me.
Minus being at the mall.
Right? The malls around here suck.
Nora always hated shopping, unless it was in LA with her mom. She was bougie as hell even back then.
I'd go to the mall with you sometime. It'd be more fun than going with my mom.
I mostly go for the makeup counter samples. They're free, you know.
Come on, let's play. Take a seat wherever, Swan.
Sorry. Autumn always says I talk too much. Prepare to have your mind blown.
You mean ears, right?
Yeah, good point.
1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
Take a load off, Swan. There's a seat over there. Oh my god. I'm on camera?
Hi. Relax, Swan.
You being
You don't have to,
Swan?
like, stand at attention in here.
Eh, laisse-moi filmer.
Can't help it. The camera loves me.
Yeah. Oh, trop chou. En plus, ça fait du bruit. Trop bien. Pas trop ce que je suis censée faire. Ah ouais, faut que je m'assoie.
If I kept to the edges, maybe no one would notice me.
You pull something loose again?
Yeah, one sec.
So, Swan, what's your favorite band?
Oh, let me guess. The Beatles?
Nah.
I could see it.
Or maybe the Stones?
Oh, I hated being put on the spot.
Je suis quelqu'un d'honnête, moi.
My dad makes me listen to classic rock in the car.
Surtout à cette période-là. Moi, les miens, ils faisaient
Wait,
pareil.
really?
Et c'était vachement bien.
I've always been clueless about music.
Well, you knew way more about movies than any of us.
To each their own.
Remember sneaking from one movie to another in the multiplex?
Bon, c'est
You
quand on
still
passe au
watch the
moment où on
same
a
kind
tué
of
quelqu'un,
movies?
les gars.
I'm still a total horror junkie to this day.
On va mettre qu'on est toujours la science-fiction. Voilà.
I still really love a good sci-fi movie, but man, good ones are hard to find.
Ah, bah
Always
voilà, c'est
loved
exactement ce
hearing
qu'on
you
disait
talk
tout à
about
l'heure.
movies.
Les bons films de science-fiction sont rares.
I liked Total Recall.
You don't look the type.
Right?
Oh, hey! It's working now!
We need someone on drums.
Swan? Do it! Do
Come
it!
here. I'll show you how it works.
Ok.
Awesome.
Man, our biggest fan.
That doesn't even rhyme.
RTI
Nope. Doesn't rhyme at all.
Swan had
Ok, je me suis pété la gueule, tout va bien.
Oh God, that was
It's
so
okay.
awkward.
We all had our moments. Whoa. Looks like it's still in one piece. How about you?
Sorry. I space out sometimes.
It's okay. Skateboarder's wisdom. Never land on your wrists.
Ouais.
Makes sense. Don't worry, Swan. I'll catch you next time.
If I had any balance, I'd try to.
It's no sweat. You just gotta go for it.
So, are you guys gonna play or what?
Yeah, You ready, Swan? I'm ready. You have to start the beat first. Use the switch on the upper right. It's easy. So, you got your instruments in the middle. The first is the kick, the snare is second, and the third is the toms. That last button on the right is the hi-hat. And, that's it. Try 'em out. You can change the sample bank too, by the way. It's that first button.
Ah, c'est rigolo ça. Sympa.
Not that one.
It's not that bad.
C'est pas ce truc. Ça fait un peu de drum and bass, j'aime bien.
That one could be fun. All set. Nice beat, Swan. Ready for your close-up? Make it stick, 'cause I can. In the park till it's dark. Hey, spotlight's on me.
They'll need to. That's why you love a bad girl. I'm gonna take it.
Swan.
Ah, je vais faire un bon plan, je vais faire un bon plan.
Bad girl. I'm gonna take it to the world.
Hey, take me away. Away, away, away.
I'll break you for you.
Gonna do what you can. Make it land. Make it stick. Take a stand.
Je fais une petite pause très rapide. Bon, alors j'ai une bonne et une mauvaise nouvelle. La bonne nouvelle, c'est que le jeu est super long. La mauvaise, c'est que je pense pas que j'arriverai à faire l'épisode 1 en une seule session de stream. Je pense que moi, il va me falloir 5 heures plutôt que 4. J'avais pas prévu de poncer autant de trucs. Alors le jeu, c'est Lost Records, par les mêmes créateurs, Dontnod, les créateurs de Life is Strange 1. On se retrouve donc à mi-chemin entre le présent et avec des flashbacks dans le passé, dans les années 90. On suit le point de vue alors de Swan, qui a reçu une caméra pour son anniversaire et qui filme à peu près tout et n'importe quoi. En gros, ça explique comment elle a rencontré son groupe de potes. Visiblement, elles ont fait un truc horrible, ou il leur est arrivé un truc horrible qui a laissé un trauma, mais on sait pas quoi. Voilà, ça c'est tout ce que je peux résumer. Du jeu. Et quel serait un jeu sur les années 90 sans un groupe de punk dans un garage? Non, c'est pas les Razmoquettes, non.
Crushed it.
Dude, that was fucking
Epic.
encore.
Thanks.
I want to write a song for you guys.
What? Oh my god.
Seriously? That'd be so cool.
What's it sound like?
I gotta write it first, dummy.
Oh, right. Guys, listen. We should make a music video.
That would be crazy. Swan? You up for that?
I'm not
Par contre,
like
le filtre à la caméra est bluffant. Tu passes du VHS daron à un jeu Telltale.
Says who? You are, if you say you are.
Ouais, mais j'aime bien. Franchement, la vibe, elle est
Ok.
hyper cool.
Hold up.
Je pense
If
vraiment qu'on va
this is serious,
plus
we're gonna
kiffer
need
que
a real
double
band
imposture. Tu vois?
Cat?
Hello? We already have one. You can't kill the spew.
Can and did. It's dead and buried.
Could we shoot at the crow's nest? It's this awesome trail. I know a few good spots where the light filters through the trees in this really cool way.
Let's scout it out.
Okay, Cat. Let's hear what you got. What's our name? Hold on, I think I've got one. How about Bloom and Rage?
Sympa. On s'en serait pas douté, mais sympa. Hein. Vite, vite.
Sorry, I really gotta take this.
Comme d'hab. Hein.
Sure. Go ahead.
Be right back.
What's in the box? What's in the box? Elle a dit le ton du jeu. OMG.
Only for Bloom and Rage.
Je sais qu'on va le savoir qu'à la fin de l'épisode. Ça me rend folle. Ça me rend vraiment folle. Oh non, c'est dégueu, ça JF. Et on a déjà un chat et il s'appelle Shadow. C'est un chat noir. Je suis sûre si on avait choisi Flocon, il aurait été blanc. Et si on avait dit Potiron, il aurait été roux. Il faut que je refasse un truc comme ça. Ouais. Un crâne ou la caméra. Moi, je colle une cassette surtout. Repitchy.
Okay, guys.
Welcome
How many
back.
times you gonna cop a squat? Nice technique.
T'as rien, dis donc.
It's not our fault if beer goes straight through us.
Yeah, but we should hustle to get up there for golden hour.
Don't sweat it.
I have a feeling that was our last stop. Probably.
Ugh, come on, let's go. We've got a music video to shoot.
What's the plan,
Franchement,
Swan?
4, on dirait Loki Max dans
Just a little
Stranger Things.
further. Sick.
Allez, moi je veux filmer des trucs. Tic, tic.
Did you see Madonna's new music video? She's like all in latex. It's kind of hot.
Still not hotter than Janet's.
Y'a des oiseaux? J'entends des oiseaux. J'entends des oiseaux. Parfait. Bon, les graffitis, ça j'ai fini la collection, donc pas les couilles. Hop. J'entends des oiseaux, je veux filmer des oiseaux.
Let's stop here. I'll film you guys.
I'm nervous.
Don't be.
We're totally in the
T'as commencé
middle
la
of
série
nowhere.
Is and Earth, ça parle de quoi?
Perfect for sparking up.
Yes, I want to spark up. Never have.
Oh my god. I wish I
I brought some.
Oh, being tipsy clearly did not make me a better artist.
Ouais, putain, ça devient dur de filmer. Ah, Bleh. Ah là là, elle va finir par gerber là. Salut. Eh,
Hey, Swan.
te casse pas,
I have
saloperie.
an idea. Come film me while I blow some smoke rings. I'm really good at it. Promise.
Ok. C'est pas un joli... Ah, joli paysage, merci.
I've been practicing my cartwheels, Nor. Did I tell you? Oh, do one now. Swan should film it. Do it. Fine. But only if she wants to. Let me know, Swan.
Ready for that cartwheel?
Oh, I think so.
Action!
Here goes nothing.
Elle va se planter. Oh, je suis déçue.
Nice one, Autumn.
Really? Thanks.
Oui, c'est rond et t'es pas très rond. Mais c'est pas grave. Oh, ça va, bah, j'ai eu un bon prof. Hein. Tu veux sortir, mon bébé? Oui. Voilà.
Sorry, that took a minute. It's this case I'm working on. Like, I know they need me, but I'd love it if they didn't call me on my off day.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Thanks. My boss is just so
Dis-moi ce qu'il y a
clueless
dans la boîte.
sometimes.
Je veux savoir ce qu'il y a dans
I
la
do wanna make
boîte.
sure things go smoothly for this girl, but also I need to know that nothing in this package could be an issue. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But whatever. Let's keep retracing our steps.
Right. We were on the trail, shooting footage for our music video.
Those woods, they're full of memories.
Yeah. Both good and bad.
Hey, what's that fence for?
It's part of my dad's ranch.
Whoa. So this is like your backyard.
Kinda.
Cool. What's it
Eh.
like in there?
It sucks. Can we move on?
J'avoue.
Oh. Yeah?
Miam, 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 miam. I know I should sleep, but the voices in my head goes. Nom 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 nom.
I wonder who brought the Lovelock trend to Velvet Cove.
Ouais. On pourrait filmer ses fesses, mais ce serait pas sympa.
Can we stop here for a sec?
Sure.
It'd be fun
Eh!
to try filming something with a bit more theatrics.
Just tell us if you find a good spot.
J'ai filmé du caca.
Get off me, fuckers!
Mosquitoes are the worst bugs.
Hey! Poop!
It's deer scat.
Cool.
La meuf qui s'emballe parce qu'elle a trouvé du caca. C'est trop bien. papillon, cette action aura des conséquences.
Sick.
Bon, j'ai pas compris, vous vouliez faire quoi les filles? Et l'autre qui est toujours en train de fumer, allez.
I'm not like used to being in the woods like this. Are we gonna?
Hey, this is wide enough to be like a stage.
Coming. Nice.
Pretend to play like. When I put music over it, it'll look totally natural. I think this is my moment.
This is so weird, but okay. Fine.
Okay, wait for me to say action.
I can't believe I agreed to this.
Rolling and action.
Oh, catch this sick air guitar riff.
Oh my god.
Hey, look at me.
Awkward. Not even a little bit. I was so worried I looked dumb. The worst fear when you're 16.
Pourquoi gagne c'est la caméra ce jour-là? Je suis certaine que c'est la caméra de ce jour-là, ouais. Je le sens gros comme une maison. La personne qui se fait tuer s'est arrangée pour se faire filmer. Tu vas découvrir que c'est toutes les autres sauf ton perso qui ont tué la meuf à coup.
What's the deal, Autumn? You're acting all weird.
No offense, but I wish we had your real gear.
I kind of agree.
Damn.
I told you.
Really?
Fake just can't compare to the real thing.
On va voir, on va voir. Après, ça peut être la cassette dans la caméra pour pouvoir la regarder, tu vois. Bah non. Parce qu'on n'avait pas encore la fonction de regarder sur l'écran. Pardon. Pardon. Mais à culpa, je me suis trompée. Oh, il y a une moto là, non?
There's a weird motorcycle over here.
Cool. Oh, coming.
Et hop, on chope le tétanos.
It's perfect.
Huh?
Oh. One of you pretends to be Corey and someone else be Dylan.
Oh my god.
Is that too weird?
No way. It's hilarious.
You two, go for it. I'm so not an actor.
Come on, Kat. Do it with me.
Looking back on it, Kat totally thought it was weird.
Fine.
Okay, Kat, you be Corey, and Nora, you can play Dylan?
Fuck yeah.
Thank you for sparing me.
What should we do?
Certaines caméras faisaient le magnéto pour le format de cassette. Ouais, mais t'avais pas d'écran dessus aussi?
So it's gotta be like a couples thing.
Oh, God, they're always like all over each other. It's so gross.
So, Corey and Dylan. I think they'd be romantic. Like, all
Oh, on
lovey-dovey.
va pas faire tripoter les filles quand même. Hein.
I can do that.
Elles sont copines, merde.
But fine.
When I say action, give me all you got.
Ready.
Action.
I'm ready.
What would he say?
Talk to me, lover boy.
Perfect, Dylan.
Me next?
Try to enter Corey's mind. Become Corey.
Dylan, I love you, baby. Will you marry me?
Oh my God, me? Yes, of course, me.
Oh, God. Trying not to laugh.
Hey.
Oh, done. We need a
Ah,
finale.
tu branchais sur la télé? Ok, excuse-moi, j'ai pas eu de caméra moi.
Happily ever after?
Too corny.
Is a stage kiss okay?
Boring, but fine.
A fake kiss?
Just wait for my go-ahead.
Okay.
Ouais, il y a des petits kinks ici, mais on juge pas. Hein.
Time for the grand finale. Action!
Ready? Fake it till you make it.
Even Cat got shy sometimes. Kind of surprising in retrospect.
Nora totally wanted to kiss her. I know it.
J'avoue,
That's a
c'est
wrap.
lourd de sous-entendu. J'arrive pas à dire si elle est timide ou si vraiment elle aurait kiffé.
I wonder if they actually get married.
Whoa. Oh, but she's way hotter than him. I think we're almost to the Overlook.
Oh mais ça, c'est pas Kate, c'est pas Kate, c'est Kat. C'est pas pareil.
Should I try again, Swan?
Oh, je suis perdue. On a quoi ici? On va s'asseoir.
I should watch what I shot before I forget.
Ok, toi je t'ai... Et je suis là, ouais, je t'ai vu. Piou, 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 piou. Je ne mange pas de pierre. Caillou, caillou, caillou. Caillou, 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 caillou. Non, c'est que je dois mettre une pierre là-dessus. Trop de possibilités. Ah, c'était ça. Waouh. Faut pas le filmer. Ok. Bah voilà, c'est très bien. Un nouveau succès. Ah. Bon, c'est pas que je complétionne, mais j'aime bien faire le maximum de achievements pendant ma première run, quoi. Je trouve ça marrant de voir les trucs que les
Action!
devs ont fait. Ouais, la flemme. Hop. Ah, on va y par là, les filles. Hein. Sinon, on n'arrivera jamais à finir cet épisode. T'as tenté le 100% sur Guard Legacy, et bah purée. T'es motivé?
The Overlook's just over there. I'll go first. Do you think it's safe?
Don't run, and you'll be fine, Nor.
Not a chance. I was gonna try to run across this thing.
You guys go ahead. I'll get a following shot.
Cool.
So you'll tell us when to go, Swan?
Yep, just a sec. I'll get in position.
Don't make me catch you.
I'm so good. Hurry up, guys. Fine.
Uh, ready?
Imagine I'm skateboarding.
Action! Rolling.
C'est pas un travelling, hein, ça.
Hey, betcha I could make the log shake. Don't you dare!
C'était pas un travelling du tout, hein.
I'm ready to get off this thing.
I'm done.
Un jeu à Platoon, tu débranches le cerveau, tu vas chercher les tours de l'aigle, tu abats des terroristes et des opposants à ton régime totalitaire, la base quoi. C'est une drôle de façon de résumer Hogwarts Legacy quand même. Bon, il y a eu un petit souci de texture.
You guys go ahead. I'll catch up in a bit.
You okay, Cat?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'll meet you up there.
I'm going this way.
Jinx!
Come with me.
You wish! I'm going this way.
What about you, Swan?
On va
Take
attendre
your
4.
time, Cat. I'll wait for you.
Okay. Let's go. Just tying my shoe.
So, was the scene with Nora okay? Or was it weird?
Extreme, anxiety-inducing silence.
It was okay. I mean, I guess it was funny, but I did feel kind of awkward.
Sorry. I guess it was weird to have Nora play your sister.
Your idea was good. I just felt like I was screwing it up. I should have just done it. Ugh, I hope Nora's not mad at me.
Oh, no way.
Kat was so bold, usually. I think she was taken off guard.
Oui,
She
y a pas
never
raison.
liked feeling
Y a pas
vulnerable.
d'animaux? C'est nul.
Being with you is so much better than being stuck at home all day.
I bet.
Ah, c'est beau. Franchement, le jeu est hyper beau. Ça me tue qu'on n'en ait pas entendu plus parler, je trouve. Mais je trouve ça vraiment très très joli. Très apaisant aussi, hyper cosy.
Whoa, Cat! Watch out!
Kat, elle a pas peur de mourir.
Are we seriously doing this?
J'ai peur du vide, moi.
Okay.
Wow. Looks like a friggin' Bob Ross.
Oh la ref.
What? I like to watch him when I light up sometimes. Chills me out.
I'll never.
Elle va
forget
mourir, c'est
that.
sûr qu'elle va mourir.
Yeah, me neither. Obviously you won't. We're gonna be friends forever.
Duh.
Hmm.
I was happy. So happy. But also so nervous.
Évidemment qu'elle va mourir.
I've never had any friends like you. Normally, people don't even notice me.
Those other people are stupid, anyways.
We're the cool ones.
I mean, yeah. But we're not like popular.
Screw the popular kids. They all suck anyways.
Do you ever think about how, like,
Life goes by really fast. I can barely remember.
Ah, la vie d'un papillon, ça passe encore plus.
Imagine being a
Je sais pas
moth.
qui fait du pied à qui.
They only live for a few months.
Oh, God. I was so morbid sometimes.
Hey, at least they get to fly. I want this summer to go by slow.
Je pense que c'est Kat qui fait du pied à Nora.
No, I totally get it. Like when
Elles auraient
school
dû se faire un
starts,
vrai bisou en fait.
I'm gonna be so bummed.
Me too. Only one more year.
Yeah.
Well, we timed it right. The light is perfect.
Let's do a badass final shot. All 4 of us.
Okay, fine. Swan, you're in too, right?
Okay, let me just, find a place to prop this up.
Et le pourquoi on n'en a pas entendu parler, parce qu'on a entendu parler que de Life is Strange 2. Parce que je pense que Dontnod ne fait pas autant de pubs que Deck9, et surtout,
Okay.
faut pas oublier que Life is Strange 2,
Frame.
qui est développé par
Rolling.
Deck9, mais il est édité par Square Enix, je pense.
Okay.
Square Enix a beaucoup plus de portée.
And action. Hold your horses, you guys. I gotta find the right channel.
Isn't it insane that we made like basically a whole movie yesterday?
This is gonna be weird.
I'm so excited. Thanks for letting us use
Bon alors.
your TV, Nora.
Hell yeah.
Ah.
I'm just glad my parents aren't home. They definitely try to come down and watch.
No thanks. My eyes feel.
Oh.
One sec, Mom, I'm filming!
I was so mortified. Oh.
Ok, ce plan qui servait à rien, mais d'accord.
Sorry, I forgot to rewind the tape. That's just a personal project.
I want to see it.
It's just like a talking head thing.
This makes me want to see it even more. A Swan exclusive.
Seriously, it's boring.
You say so.
My dad and Linda go to sleep early. I just made something up when they asked me when I got home.
You lied. Oh my
I
god.
was surprised they asked, honestly.
The fuck?
Come on, hit play, Swan. We're ready. Remember how
Ah
boring
fuck,
last summer
j'étais
was?
trop loin.
I was already done with my summer reading by now.
Do not remind me about summer reading.
It's fine. We have so much time.
Dude, the pizza's getting cold. Smash the.
Okay, this is the right
Ah.
spot. Sorry.
La bonne vidéo.
Dude, you're so loud.
Ah, franchement, on s'amusait d'un rien dans les années 90, alors que maintenant c'est tout à fait normal. Mais oui, effectivement, c'est comme ça que tu disais. Bah, je vois maintenant.
Never have. Oh my god. I wish I brought some. Did you see Madonna's music video? She's like
Crazy.
all latex. It's kind of hot. Still not hotter than Janet.
I can't look.
Why?
It's so weird seeing myself.
Come on, I love seeing you.
Mais non. Par contre, c'était une forme de TikTok, hein, de parler devant la caméra comme ça. Journal intime.
Come film me while I film great. I'm really good at it. Promise.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You look.
I can't believe this was just yesterday.
Tu vois, ils ont vraiment pris des clips au hasard. Hein.
What would he say? Talk to me, Leatherboy. Perfect, Dylan.
Moi, je trouve quand même que le son des dialogues est pas très fort.
She's always rambling on about vitamin D deficiency. Weird.
I've been practicing my cartwheels more. Did I touch rolling?
Je peux pas faire des
That was
ok.
so fun.
It was. I like this one.
It sucked. Can we
Je
move
pense qu'elle est
on?
passée devant mon plan, c'est pas très sympa ça.
Yeah.
Legendary.
Okay.
Good.
Swans in this one.
And
So, that's it?
Yep. That's the end. Can we watch it again?
Yeah, we totally should.
Wait. Question. Who's the best actress?
Be honest.
Bah, c'est une pizza de jeux vidéo quoi.
Oh, I don't know.
Tu viens de répondre?
Not me.
Really?
My mom always tells me I have a good stage presence.
I'm curious what Swan
Admettre que
thinks.
Nora était cool parce que c'est la plus extravertie
think-
de toutes.
Nora? You were actually so cool.
Me?
Seriously. Everyone was amazing though.
Vous êtes toutes cool mais pas aussi
Thanks
cool
for
que moi.
going along with it.
Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
What the hell? Power outage?
Les jours.
Guys, it's last night. I forgot I filmed this.
Abonnez-vous à ma chaîne.